to practice what I call the horse step. And then you get to pick your ending. All right. I would say either do the low kick, if you bring their body up high. Because you went high, it's a natural human reaction, the mirror, right? Now their attention goes high, and sink into the low kick. All right? You can try that one or a middle kick, okay? So try one of those two.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ready?
Now, I want to show you some tools that you can do when someone's coming at you. All right? Some little things that can make them stop in their tracks. Okay? So remember we did the jump teep before? Now it's going to be a knee, but it's going to be diagonal. I'm not going straight into the torso. I'm not parallel. It's kind of half. And I'm hitting with this bone right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright? So the person in front of me, this way. Now, keep really close detail here. See how far my head is back? You might have to be like this. Wait. Okay. Now I can land it. Alright? Okay? So I want to aim for him. So it's the same thing. I'm a little bit out of range. He's going to want to come punch me. This way. Okay? Now I drop my hands because I wanted you to focus on me. Don't drop your hands. When I go for this knee, I'm going to keep my hands up. Maybe I miss. Then what happens? Okay? So he's coming in. You see here? Because I can also post here. Okay? I don't want to be like this. I have this out because I'm going to have to pose. I don't know where he's going next, but this creates enough space for me to express whatever strike is coming next. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, one more time.
Oh, goodness.
2 for 1 special. I'm still out here, out of the range. I can still reach him with my hand. But I need to have my hand back. These boxes, I don't want If you look very closely, my jaw explodes. Like this. Yeah, so if you look by the time I end, when I kick, similar movements. Sometimes you don't have enough room to teep. You can't teep. I want to jump teep, but he's coming in too fast. Okay, I switch to instead. So same movement, shorter.